Zoologist and National Geographic explorer Martin Wikelski and monarch butterfly expert Chip Taylor are using technology to learn more about how monarch butterflies migrate.
We are trying to put the first electronic tag on a free-flying, migrating monarch butterfly. If that works, then we could for the first time really follow them in the wild, how they migrate, and find out exactly how they do it.
The annual monarch migration spans generations of individuals and is nearly 4,000 miles long, reaching from Mexico to as far as Canada and back again.
They only have a few habitat places. If those areas are destroyed, then there's no monarch butterflies anymore.
The hope is that this advanced technology can provide data that will be useful in protecting the monarch population during this migration and all year round.
The tag is made out of a small battery, like a hearing aid battery, a little circuit, and it just beeps, and we receive this over the radio in an antenna, and that allows us to follow the animal.
Martin has spent much of his career working to make these devices as small as possible to study animal movement and migration. Amazingly, these trackers now weigh less than a chicken feather.
Big boy.
Wow, that's a big one.
This is the biggest butterfly we've got.
It's successful if the animal doesn't seem to be affected by the tag, so they move around normally. They just do their regular thing, and you can follow them.
With the tag secured, the scientists take to the sky to see just how well the device is working.
Martin, do you hear anything? Nope. Go a little lower and search closer to the ground.
Wow!
Once we locate them from the air, we come back. We want to find them again. We want to see what they're doing.
By using the signal to locate the butterfly, the first ever test to electronically tag a free-flying monarch is a tremendous success.
Hey, here he is!
As this is just a trial run, the scientists will remove the tracking tag.
Fantastic! Got it right! Good for you! That's fantastic!
Big boy's ready to go. Go to Wisconsin, find a girlfriend. There he goes.
Yeah.
There he goes, all right. And look at, he's going northeast. You headed out that way, go right along the tree line, northeast.